Okay, y'all. We just went horseback riding. I couldn't record, but it was so much fun. I had a horse named Bullet, and y'all, I like a real cowgirl out there. I was doing it. And now we're about to go, you know, pet some of the chickens or whatever. I'm gonna show y'all some baby chickens. We're gonna pet some other animals they got out here. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like. Don't step on them. Look at the chickens and the peacock.
Yeah, mallet. Look, I'm the sheriff in town. That's really what they used to hit people with. And I'm a wacky with it too. Wink.
Let's go see what they got over here. Oh, I got you on camera. Don't do shit.
Who feed the peacock, please? It didn't take my point.
How big that belly is. The fact that you can look.
We finessed the system. Okay. You guys want some?
I'm scared as fuck. And I'm trying to go back there with my friends, but it's a big ass bee not letting me. And I'm not about to fuck with it because that shit is huge. Stop playing. Stop playing. All right, he went away. The bee flew away for real this time. Come on, little chickens. Hush, girl. I'm trying to survive. The thing, it went back. Oh. All right.
Get with your hand. Get the fuck out.
The bee came back. Oh my god. Yeah. Ah. I ain't listening well.
You gotta keep twisting it.
It's stuck. It's stuck. It just still our stuff. It's stuck.
Look at that goat in the house over there.
No more food, guys. This thing took it. You trying to fight me because it took my stuff? Or her stuff?
Look at a peacock.
Oh, it stole our stuff.
Hold on, let me try. She's still running.
Because that bee is humongous. What the hell is you out here eating? Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe it's my nails.
Eating everything I drop. Here.
I'll be damned if I had to eat this.
What do y'all want?
They wait for you to drop something.
Y'all gonna be waiting because I already fed y'all all my corn. Yeah, get them over there.
Get the fuck.
The pigs is pissed. Look at the little baby.
Oh, baby. Gotcha.
Right there.
I'm gonna get you too.
Don't be fighting. Hey. Oh, she got that fast. That was a good one. I don't know, but tell him to come over here.
Get away from me.
Come here, little goat. Bah. Ooh. Why did this girl just pick up a goat?
It's so cute.
She just picked up. No,
It's like holding Kodak. It's just a little baby.
I don't want to hold him. Just,
Oh, he's chewing in my ear.
hey. Oh. Look at you. Oh. Not like this. This one's kind of hefty. Ooh, okay, you a little feisty. It's all right. Look, we are not going to do nothing to you. Just hold it.
Quiet now.
See? Yep. Mm-hmm.
You want to hold him?
Yes.
Yeah, you got the video on. You
Yeah.
hold this. You gotta hold him. He's gonna squeal. Hold him tight. Hold him tight.
And you're snotted on me. Relax. This is better. You like it over there.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, Tia.
I'm not holding that
Paint
pig.
them green and have the Angry Birds.
Oh, make him fly.
Oh my god. I got you. They're not enjoying it.
Tia,
No, I'm not holding that pig. No. No.
touch it.
No.
Who is that now?
That's a little dramatic. You're being dramatic right now, okay?
Who is that?
With your hand.
Oh, okay.
And it's crazy because, you know, usually mama animals are like, put the baby down. They ain't gonna put his can't rub a face or nothing. He's going back around the mama.
Okay. We're back in the house from horseback riding. And we had planned.
You were talking to us, we were just like talking. You were like, okay, and you were like, what? And you were like, back from horses. And you were like, oh, okay.
This is inappropriate. I gotta put something over my nipples. Back from horseback riding, and we had a great time. Now we're back in the house. We were gonna do a picnic, but the park closed real early, so we're not gonna do that no more. We're just gonna go look at house stuff. I don't know if we're still gonna do that or not, but right now we're not pressed. So we're in the house, and I'm about to do my little thing, Dizzle. Find something to eat for lunch, because we got a lot of stuff in here to choose from. And my pies, y'all. They look so beautiful. And they taste good too. So tell your grannies they got competition. Don't play with me. I'm coming through with the pies. You guys, we are outside right now. And they have ice cream. It's getting a little windy out here.
A little chilly. Oh, my jacket in the car.
What was y'all best part about the weekend? Tia, go first because you're at the end.
You're being interviewed. I did not know this. I don't like you right now.
And talk a little louder so my thing can hear you.
I would say horseback riding was my favorite thing because it was different.
Don't be a ninny and pick what she said.
Horseback riding would be my favorite thing if these two weren't wimps and didn't pick up the, what is it called? The baby pig or the baby goat. That would have been the best. They were over here getting bullied by bees.
First of all, them bees is the size of my thumb.
Right.
And second, I did try to pick up the pig. I did not try to pick up the goat though, because the goat was a little, you know, 4 legs kick you. The 4 long legs, that might actually hurt.
It was very docile.
little-
I picked
the
it up
little-
and didn't even do anything.
I'm gonna insert the clip right here of me picking up the pig, just because she acted like she forgot. The thing was screaming. What do y'all want me to do?
I would say my favorite time was either the first night y'all got here and y'all was gone a little bit and then we went out to eat. And you were over here yelling at the waiter for not bringing over the bread. Or the arcade when we were driving the go-karts. Because I zoomed past both of y'all. I zoomed past Tia. She was right behind that lady.
Let me get from behind you. I was so irritated. Anyway, and I ran into a wall. But
Smacking to it, so from what that man said.
he acted like he was doing too much. He saw them hit the back of my bumper and I flew.
Not full.
I did. Let me think. I think my favorite part was the arcade too. But I really like the horseback riding. I just feel like both of them was fun. And I like cooking for them. It was fun. Yeah. So
Your favorite part was the arcade because you kept scamming the system.
Just a scammer.
Every time she played a game, 500 points.
don't imagine I got the magic touch.
Despicable.
I got the magic touch. I was getting all the points. And I won a llama, period. And got some candy. But yeah, that's about it. We're just outside right now. We're probably gonna go to the beach, or I don't know if that's a thing or not. We're probably gonna go to the at-home store. I don't know if that's a thing or not. We're just doing whatever comes to mind.
I want to go to at home.
We're gonna go at home first and then the beach because at home closes at 9. The beach doesn't close.
Okay.
Have you ever been to the beach at night?
Yeah.
It's so relaxing.
It's a little sketchy here because, like I said, it's a little ratchet.
When I went in Tampa, it's a little sketchy too. People were slapping each other when they was drunk on the beach.
That was
then-
instantly cause a fight.
And then another lady, she really slapped the shit out of her husband because I guess he was fighting with some girl in the bar or something. He was like, "Why you always do this? Why you always do this?" And just kept slapping him. And they were following us. They were just drunk. I don't know what was wrong with them.
The last time we went to the beach, weed is legal here. Can I say that? Can we talk about that
Yeah.
on YouTube? Okay, weed is legal here in Virginia. And me and my husband, we were walking. It's packed. Like, everybody's, like, walking, like, shoulder to shoulder. And there's a group of, like, 3-4 dudes in front of us. Something falls out of their pocket. And I watch it, like, roll away. It's a bag of weed. Like, a thick-ass bag of weed. And me and my husband talking. I'm like, yo, some weed just fell on the floor. Should we tell him? And he's like, no, we should take it ourselves. Being silly. And I'm like, no, we should tell him. We should tell him. We should tell him. So we walk up and we tap him. We was like, hey, yo, stuff fell on the floor back here. And they're like, what? You serious? When I say it had fell, and then it had fell out of the bag. Like, it was just blowing in the wind.
No,
it was just blowing in
out of the bag.
Yes.
Oh my god.
It was like one of those sandwich bags, not a Ziploc sandwich bag.
The one, that's fucked up.
And it was just blowing in the wind. And then the dude, like, they all came back over there and, like, snatched it up. And there was a little, not a police officer, but what are the little security guards?
Security
The little
guard.
security guard. It was a security guard lady. They took him so. And they walked away.
I would have ran after it first. I was like, shit. In the same time. I'd be like, down.
No, people here is sketchy too because we could have tried to talk to them and they were like, why you just touch me? And then pull out a gun, you know.
Yeah, but I would have been like, excuse me.
Yeah, weed.
That's how Portsmouth is. That's why I didn't want to go to the mall that we was going to. Like, that was the one. I'm getting cold.
This ice cream is good.
I just finished mine.
You did not finish your ice cream.
I sure did. That shit was good.
I'm more like in a sherbet mood, if anything.
I don't think they had it.
No, I didn't see none. Or like a smoothie. I don't know. I really don't care for nothing right now. But we'll be back when we go to the next thing. That was a quick little intervention. That was a good one. We needed that in my vlog for this one. That's a whole different second one from what we did earlier. So we will be back and let you guys know what's going on. Okay, y'all. So we're out here at Virginia Beach, literally, and I had to buy a jacket. It was cold and I was not dressed for the wind, so here we are, about to go travel. I'm gonna show y'all some more once we get it done. We might go walk on the beach, we might not, might be in the sand, we might not, but it's a whole lot of cute little things out here, so I'm gonna show y'all while we go past them. And they don't want to go in. It's a haunted house. I'm scared for real. They're gonna be jumping out. But I wanted to. You left it. Look at the crab. Hello, Mr. Crab. All right, y'all, so we are still on the beach. I already told y'all what happened. I got a jacket on. And Casamiga strawberry melon. Y'all don't do it like we do. This way. Tia over there, Rashonda over here. Look at the waves. I can't see anything. Oh, I see him. It's a little dark, but I see you. Saw it? Look at my hair. I cannot go anywhere without looking crazy.
We all look kind of fucked up. Y'all cheating.
I was following
It got in the water, that glass one.